trading with prop firm can be very overwhelming, especially when you have over hundreds of prop firm out there. And again, each prop firm have different payout rules, different promises, different everything. But at the end of the day, all matters to us traders is having a prop firm that has a very easy challenge to pass, very affordable, pays you the fastest, and also have a very good user experience. When you're using, you feel like, yes, this is the prop firm I want to trade with. So in today's video, I'm gonna be choosing the 4 best prop firm that have been listed on Prop Firm Match. I'm gonna go through their payout speed, how affordable it is, also my own review for you guys to see which prop firm could actually be the best for you in 2025. I'm currently on Prop Firm Match. As you can see here, we have 4 prop firms that have been nominated. We have a lot of them basically, but I'm only choosing the top 4 prop firms because I have basically traded with all of those 4 prop firms, so it will allow me to give you a way better review, you know. So yeah, the first one on the list here, we have FundingPips, that has been around for 2 years now. I think they are going to their 3rd year this November. And by the way, November is also my birthday, so that means me and FundingPips, we share the same birthday, you know. Anyway, so yeah, they've been around for 2 years now, and they do allow you to get funded up to 300k in funding. They allow you to have C trader, match trader, and MT5, which is really good. And we have they are based in Dubai, by the way. They are based in UAE, yeah. And then the 5%, they've been around for 9 years, okay, and they allow you to get funded up to 600k, which is really huge. But they only have 2 trading platforms, which is MT5 and C Trader. And the next one here is Alpha Capital Group. They've been around for 3 years, and they allow you to get funded up to 400k. And they have way more platform. I think they also have Trade Locker or something. I don't know. I see the logo here, but yeah. And then the last one on the list here is FundedNext. FundedNext also been around for 3 years, and they allow you to get funded up to 300k in funding. And they have MT4, MT5, C Trader, and Match Trader as well, which is, I mean, this is like an overview for you. You have an idea exactly which prop firm offers how much capital and all of that. So now let's go into the real thing. First thing here is how affordable the challenge are, right? Because when you want to buy an account, you want to make sure that you can afford buying the account. So you want to make sure that the price, you know, is really appealing to you. So for the account here, we can clearly see when I come to challenge, we currently have the 100k 2-step. One thing you guys have to understand is each prop firm have different drawdown rules, different payout rules, and all of that. So here we have an overview of what each of them offers with how much they actually cost, and to allow you to choose them better. So the first one here, we have FundingPips 2-step account. So it has 2 phases basically. Phase 1, you make 6%. Phase 2, you make 6%, and then you get your live account. And the drawdown, we have 3% daily drawdown and 6% overall drawdown. And the payout can be weekly or can be on demand. And we can clearly see the price here is really nice. I mean, like $319, which is, I mean, really cheap compared to the others. You have 5%, 100k 2-step as well, but you can clearly see the profit target here is 8%, 5%, which is different. And then daily loss is 5%, overall loss is 10%, which is way higher than the one we have with FundingPips. And the payout is every 14 days, not like every week as the one you have with FundingPips. And the price costs way more than the one from FundingPips, which is $517. And then Alpha Capital Group as well, phase 1 6%, phase 2 6%, and then it's almost the same thing as FundingPips basically, but the price costs $362, which is slightly more expensive than the one you have with FundingPips. And the last one on the list here, you have FundedNext, which is also 100k, phase 1 with 8%, and then 4%. I didn't know phase 2 was 4%, but okay. And then max loss is 8%, and then daily loss is 4% as well. And the payout, your first payout is within 21 days, and 21 days is like way higher than every other prop firm you have here. And then the price is about $399. So far we can see that FundingPips is the one having the cheapest account size, cheapest challenge fee, I mean, and the others one follows. But again, everything is up to you, the rules, you know. Do you want to have 6% drawdown, or you want to have 8% drawdown, or you want to have 10% drawdown? Depends how much money you have, and then what rules you are comfortable with, then you can trade with it. So now it's up to you which one you want to trade with, you can trade with. But so far we can see that the FundingPips account is the one which is the cheapest on this list here. So now let's go to the next category, which is how fast you actually get paid. One thing is, I don't want to show you guys numbers, right? Like, I can right now go to the website of each of those prop firm and check like how long it takes to get paid. Some of you guys, some of them is gonna take you within 24 hours, some of them within 2 days, within 3 days. But I want to give you guys based on my own experience, because I have traded with all of this prop firm. The only prop firm I've never gotten a payout from was the 5%. But again, I haven't gotten a payout because I never really got a live account. They have some sort of consistency rule on the challenge where you have to make like 0.5% across 3 days before you pass the challenge. So yeah, that is the main reason why I didn't really get funded. But anyway, beside the point, the first one on the list here, I'm gonna give it to FundedNext, because I have traded with FundedNext, and FundedNext, they always say that you get paid within 24 hours. And trust me, every single payout I had with FundedNext has been processed within 24 hours. That's something that I can give it to them. Yes, they do process payout within 24 hours. And then they also process payout on weekends. On Saturday, they process payout. On Sunday, they process payout. That's something that I truly respect, and I'm giving that to them, right? And then the second one here is, I'm probably gonna give it to FundingPips, because FundingPips says on their website that your payout get processed within 1 to 3 business days. And then I also have a lot of payout that got processed within 24 hours, which is within 1 business day. Mostly the 2-step pro account and the 1-step account get processed within 24 hours. So yes, FundingPips also do pay you in less than 24 hours. The second one, I'm gonna give it to FundingPips. And then the third one and the fourth one, I don't know if I should give it to which one, but I haven't really gotten paid from 5%. So you guys will let me know below the comment section if 5% does pay maybe within 24 hours or within 2 days, within 3 days. I don't know, you guys will let me know below. And Alpha Capital Group, I have traded with them last year, and I do remember that they do pay within 2 to 3 business days. I don't know if they pay within 24 hours, but most of my payout was taking about 2 to 3 days. So yeah, it's way slower than with FundingPips, but I don't know how compared it is with 5%. So far, FundedNext first on the payout speed. Second one, we have FundingPips, and then the third one here, which could be Alpha Capital or could be 5%, who knows? Because as I said, I never really gotten a payout from the 5%. And that's pretty much it. And the last one on the list here is the traders review, because when you want to trade with a prop firm, you want to make sure that that prop firm, people that traded with them, have like really good review about them. So I'm gonna give you guys my own review, and then we're gonna review the one that we have on prop firm match here. So the first thing here is that the prop firm I've traded with them this year so far have been FundedNext and FundingPips. I actually like both of them, but they both have like different purposes. Like they both have their goods, and what I prefer on this and what I prefer on the other one. Like as I said, with FundedNext, I know that my payout get processed within 24 hours. Even on weekend I request my payout, I get paid, which is really good. And then with FundingPips, they never deny payout. They have 0 payout denial. So whenever I trade with FundingPips, I know that yes, my payout is gonna pay out. But when I'm trading with another prop firm, I don't have that confidence that my payout is going to be processed. I hope you guys understand. So I have preference for one and preference for other as well. So I can't really put like one ahead of the other one. So that's like my own experience. Alpha Capital, I have traded with them too, but I'm not trading with them no longer, because yeah, they don't allow my country to trade with them no longer. So I'm not trading with them. But let's look at what prop firm match has here. We can clearly see that when I come back to the firms here, we can see that the ranking on prop firm match, FundingPips is first, because we have over 31,000 traders that have ranked FundingPips as first one, and then second one here is 29,000 from the 5%, and then third one here is 12,000 with Alpha Capital, and then 21,000 with FundedNext. So apparently people prefer FundingPips more, followed by the 5%, Alpha Capital, and then FundedNext. So these are like preferences. Like right now, you can go and create an account with prop firm match, and then if you create an account, you can just click on this hat here. You can like favor, you can like vote for your favorite prop firm. So the more people vote for a particular prop firm, the more that prop firm is gonna rank higher. But when traders are voting for that prop firm, that means that it's obviously a good prop firm. That's it. So yeah, the ranking, we can clearly see here that FundingPips on top, and then followed by the others one. And you can also look at the review. You can see the review here that FundingPips has 4.4 stars, and then the 5% has higher, which is 4.8, and then Alpha Capital 4.4, and then FundedNext 4.5. So if you are looking at the review instead of ranking, then you can see that the 5% should have been first, and then FundedNext should have been second, and FundingPips and Alpha Capital should come later. They both have 4.4, so I can't really like add one ahead of the other because they both have the same thing. So yeah, so that would be pretty much it. So if you want to trade with a prop firm, you're looking at like the cheapest challenge fee, you go with FundingPips, very affordable. If you're looking for a prop firm that pays you like the fastest, that could have been like FundedNext. If you're looking at prop firms that have like really good reputation, really good reviews, that could have been the 5% or FundingPips or FundedNext as well. So this would be pretty much for this video. I did my best to keep this comparison fair. Okay, I don't know if I did put one prop firm ahead of the other just because maybe I have traded with them and I, you know, anyway, you guys let me know if the comparison I did here is right. And by the way, if you want to go and compare by yourself, make sure you go and check out prop firm match. Okay, go and create an account. When you buy an account using prop firm match discount code, you get loyalty point, and with the loyalty point loyalty point last time I said it and someone said I didn't say it well. Anyway, so you get those points and you can you know get free account as well. And I saw that if you subscribe to prop firm match newsletters, you can get I think 200k funding for free or something. So make sure you check the link below this video to get create an account with prop firm match, and I hope that you'll choose the right prop firm for yourself, right? So I think that would be pretty much it for this video. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys on my next content.